picture this as your new home. You're going to come to the table with a bunch of pennies, pour those into the pickle jar. We're going to pour in the rest, and then you're done. If you want to, over time, you can add pennies to the pickle jar. In other words, you can pay down that mortgage. If you do pay down that mortgage, everything you've put into that home without ever having to refinance and pay more closing costs and so forth, if you pay down that loan, all of that you've put in there now becomes a line of credit, and you can take that back out again. Can never take all of it back out again, but what you've put in, you can take back out again, and that will actually, that amount you put in will actually pick up a little bit. Not about, if you close today, be gaining about 6.5% in growth. So I love it when people do a reverse for purchase, and then after closing, start making payments. They don't have to be big, but anything you add to that pickle jar after closing will automatically turn into a line of credit.